Alright guys, today we got a Brinks digital deadbolt. This is just a how-to video on once you've got it installed, how to program the user code and the program code. So first thing you want to do is turn it on its back side, unlock it. We're going to reset it. So there's a pinhole on the back. Get you a paper clip, a pin, a small screwdriver. You're going to want to hold it down until you hear 3 beeps. Once you hear 3 beeps, it is reset and you can start all over from the very beginning. And you want to do these steps in order. So the first step is to find out if it's a left-handed or right-handed door. So to do this, you're going to want to enter the program code, which is 0 4 times, followed by Brinks, and then 0 again, and press the Brinks. Once you do that, the deadbolt should come out and then go back in. If it's done that successfully, it'll beep twice, and you know you're on the right track. So we want to lock it now, and then put in the user code that they give you, which is 1234, and then followed by the Brinks sign, and it should unlock the door. So if it unlocks it, it'll beep. We know we're on the right track, we're going in the right direction. So now we want to change the program code. And you have to change the program code first. So we're going to use their program code, which is 0 4 times by the Brinks, then the number 4, press Brinks, and now we're going to enter our custom code, which I'm just going to use 1 4 times, and then you press Brinks. It'll blink twice saying that your program code is now accepted. So now we're going to create a user code. So to make this user code, we're going to use our program code that we just put in, which is going to be 1 4 times, followed by the Brinks. Then you're going to want to press 1 again, then press Brinks, and then you're going to want to put your code in that you're going to make up. This is the code you're going to use all the time, so make sure it's something your whole family knows, which ours is 1 2 3 4 5, followed by the Brinks sign. If it blinks twice, you did it correctly. To test this out, lock it, put in 1 2 3 4 5, press the Brinks sign. If it unlock it, you did it right. If you had any problems or anything like that, you can always flip it over on the back side and reset it just like we did at the very first of this video. And start from the very beginning. Just make sure you don't skip any steps. It has to go in the order it came. This deadbolt was $60. This has been a great buy. Get in and out of the door very quick. It's not as loud as it sounds in the video. There is a key for it if you need to get in with keys, but so far it's been a great deadbolt. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. But other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day.